Hello children, now we will solve our exercise 2.5. In that we will solve 3t minus 2 upon 4 minus 2t plus 3 upon 3 is equals to 2 upon 3 minus t. This is our question. Now children, just see, we will keep this into the bracket. Okay, taking LCM, LCM is 12. So what I will do, I will multiply 4 with 3. So I have to multiply here also 3, multiply this with 4 to get 12, and I will multiply that also with 4. Here it is done. Then I will write the right hand side as it is, will not change any of the things in right hand side. We will solve first left hand side. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, minus 4 2s are 8. Now plus into minus is minus, 4 3s are 12, whole upon 12 is equals to the right hand side values as it is. Then I will solve the variables 90 and minus 8, it will be plus t, minus 6 and minus 12, it will be minus 18 upon 12. Now I will solve the right hand side. Denominator is here 1, another is 3, LCM will be 3. So I will multiply both the denominator and numerator with 3. So it will be what? 2 minus 3t upon 3. Now what you will do? Just cross multiplication by keeping this both into the bracket. So it will be 3 into t minus 18 is equals to 12 into bracket 2 minus 3t. When you will open the bracket, it will be what? 3t minus 3 into 18 is 54 is equals to 12 into 2 is 24, 12 into 3 is 36t. What we will do? We will just take the number that is variable, that is 36, from right hand side to left hand side. So it will be what? 3t plus 36t minus 54 is equals to 24. You will solve the variables. So it will be what? 39t. Now 54 goes from left side to right side. So it will be plus 54. Okay, so 39t, 24 plus 54 is 78. T is equals to 78 upon 39. So it will be t is equals to 2. Understood children? Now we will move towards our next question. Our next question is little bit more difficult. Let us see how we will solve that. See children, here there is no denominator. So denominator is 1. Here there is no denominator. So denominator is 1. Keep this into the brackets. Just take LCM on left side and right hand side. Here LCM is 2, so it will be 1 into 2 and m will be 2m. Here it will be also same, 1 into 3 into 3. So it will be these steps you can avoid it until you can solve the LHS. It is up to you, either you can solve LHS and RHS together, or you can solve first LHS and then you solve RHS. Okay. So what you will write? See, when I open the bracket here, outside is negative sign. So inside all the sign will be changed. If it is plus, it will be minus. If it is minus, it will be plus. So it will be 2m minus m, minus into minus plus. So plus 1 upon 2. Now 2m minus m, it will be m plus 1 whole upon 2 is equals to 1 minus this we are writing as it is. Now we will do it the LCM. So it will be m plus 1 upon 2 as it is equals to 3 minus into bracket it is m minus 2 upon 3. When I will open the bracket, here is negative sign. So it will be changed inside when I open the bracket. So it will be minus m plus 2 whole upon 3. So it will be what? M plus 1 whole upon 2 is equals to 3 plus 2 is 5 minus m upon 3. Now just cross multiplication we will do by keeping it into the bracket. So it will be 3 into m plus 1, then 5 minus m is there. So 2 will be multiplied. what I will get the answer, I will open the bracket, it will be 3m plus 3. Right hand side you can solve later also. Okay, 3m plus 3, 5 2s are 10 minus 2m. Now 2m goes to another side, so it will be plus 2m. Here right side we are, what will be left? 10 only. When I will solve 3m and 2m, it will be 5m and plus 3. So it will be plus 3 goes to another side, so 10 minus 3. So 5m is equals to 10 minus 3, 5m is equals to 7, 10 minus 3 is 7. So it will be what? 5 is in multiplication, it goes to another side, so division. So 7 upon 5 is the answer. Okay, now we will move towards the next question. It is 15 into bracket y plus y minus 4, then minus 2 and y minus 9 plus 5 y plus 6 is equals to 0. Now first step is just opening of the bracket. Just open the bracket and multiply the things which are outside the bracket. So it will be what? 15 into y, 15y, 15 into 4 is 60, keep the sign as it is. Now here if the negative sign is outside, change the negative sign, change the sign inside the bracket also while multiplying the numbers. Okay, so I will multiply 2 with y. So it will be minus 2y as y is plus, plus into minus, minus. Here minus 9, so minus into minus plus, 9 into 2 is plus 18. Now here it will be 5y, 5 6 are 30 is equals to 0. All the variables you will solve together and all the numbers you will solve together. So when I will solve all the variables, I will get the value 18y. When I will solve all the numbers, I will get minus 12. When minus 12 goes to another side, 0 plus 12 will be there. So answer will be 12. So it will be 18y is equals to 12, y is equals to 12 upon 18. This both are coming in the table of 2. So it will be what? Y is equals to 2 upon 3. Now we will move towards our last question of this exercise. So which is our last question? Having a decimal point. Okay. No need to be afraid of this question. Let's see how we can solve. First is write the question. Now 25 upon 100. Why? Because 0.25 is there. After decimal there are 2 digits. So 100 will come. Here 5 upon 100. Okay. When I will solve this 25 and 100, 25 how many are 100? 4s are. So 25 ones are, 25 4s are. 5 ones are, 5 20s are. Okay. So this is our next step. What I will do now? I will multiply 4 here. I will open the bracket. Okay. So it will be what? 4f minus 3 upon 4. This 4 is in division with both the numbers. Here 20 is in division with both the numbers. So it will be what now? Cross multiplication. Okay, so cross multiplication when we are doing, we will keep it in the bracket. Okay, when we are keeping in bracket, then we will open the bracket in the next step. It will be 20 into 4 80, 20 into 3 60, 4 into 10 40 and 4 into 9 36. Okay, now what you will do? Take the variables to left side. So it will be 80 f minus 40 f minus 60 is equals to minus 36. 40 f minus 60 is equals to minus 36. Minus 60 goes to another side. So plus 60. It will be what? 40 f is equals to 24 because minus 36 plus 60 is 24. So 40 f is equals to 24. F is equals to 24 upon 40. So it will be what? 6 upon 10. There is a denominator 10. So answer will be what? Here 0.6. Okay. Either you write the answer in the decimal or in the fraction form, both the answer will be correct. Now another kind of questions we will solve in the next video. Okay. Thank you.